Okay, so now we are still dealing with if statements, and now let's do this. So we have the variable response input, so we ask the user for an input. Would you like food? And then we ask for a yes. Let's do this. Yes or no. Colon. And a space sign just looks nicer. Okay. And then we have if response, the comparison operator, double equal sign, right? So if response compares to y, colon, print, open bracket, quotation marks, have some food, and then else, colon, print, no food for you. So here we have the comparison operator, and we could also have if response compares to n, right? No food for you, but we just do it if else. So let's try this. Would you like food? Yes. Nope. Whoops. Uppercase, lowercase, I guess. Let's try again. Yes. Yep. Uppercase, lowercase. So this we would have to make sure that it's that it also takes lowercase input, probably, otherwise it could lead to a lot of confusion. Let's try here. And I think we can put anything other than a capital Y in here, and we will get no food for you, which is a sad world. But then, if you can follow simple instructions, right? Alright, so we have that. Now let's do another one. We have the variable name, and the value we asked from the user. Enter your name, colon, space, quotation marks, close brackets, if name, comparison operator. Yeah. So the double equal sign is the comparison operator. Very important. Just learned that. I gotta hammer that into my brain. So if we have that, comparison operator, comparison operator, comparison operator, if name equals, and then let's say they don't enter anything, so it's just empty. By the way, I'm still following Brocode's Python 4 course for free, the 2024 version, chapter 7 if statements. So, and then it's this, you did not type in your name. Beep, bop, bop. Okay, else, column, the indentation again at the beginning, and then print, and now we do an F string.